Hey guys, welcome back. You know, you probably haven't seen me in quite a while. Maybe like a month. Maybe a month and a week. I don't know. I don't keep up, to be honest. But I've been so busy with school and stuff. But today, we're going to be doing something really fun. We're going to be making bracelets. Ooh, bracelets. I've already opened it and already tried to, I've already fixed some of my bracelets and, started. I made one for someone. Not gonna reveal their name, but they may be on YouTube. It's Charity Cash. Starcher, she's a good singer. Oh my god. But today, I'm gonna be showing you how to use this kit to make a bracelet. So, first, what you're gonna wanna do is open it up. And try not to spill it. So, it comes with a lot of different stuff. And it comes with directions too, but fuck those. We're doing our own thing. I have toenail clippers in here because I was using them to cut the little plastic thing because I couldn't find scissors. That's always good and fresh and fun. Ah, we love that. Okay. So, in this kit is some little bead things, little words. Look, it's just a lot of beads and stuff. Okay, you get it. Just go buy it and look at it. I got it at Walmart, by the way, if you're just wondering. But I'm sure it's at Target and everywhere else you buy things at. So today, I'm just going to be doing the elastic things because that's the easiest. Because the cord thing, you have to tie, then make a little braid, and it's it's too much. I mean, it's probably more secure than the little band thing, but what you want to do is wrap the little string around your wrist and get it to the other side and make it a little bit longer than that. So here. And then you're going to want to cut that, and I'm going to be using my toenail clippers because I can't find the scissors. We need scissors. Anyway, so it's about this long. And then you're supposed to have something to hold it. And so what I use to hold mine is lotion bottle. Oh god. So I just open the lotion bottle, stick it in there, and close it onto the cord. And then it holds it there for you. So when you put the beads on, it doesn't come off. So that's a great hack, if you was wondering. Okay, now that you got your string on your lotion bottle, you're gonna wanna find the beads that you like. And I'm really indecisive when it comes to these things, so yeah. So I'm just gonna be doing a yellow bracelet, everything that's in this kit and that is yellow. And I'm gonna try to do it into a pattern type thing. Other than this, because this one little thing, it only comes with one of those. So that's gonna go first. See, and look, the lotion bottle keeps it on. So that's good, and you're gonna be back when I'm taking it off and showing you how to tie it and stuff. Okay, see you in a minute. So now what you wanna do is undo the little lotion top, and I took that big bead off because I didn't really like it. And so you're gonna wanna tie it. And just tie it like you would tie something normally. And I just like to do it 3 times because 3 times makes it true, I guess. Sometimes you have to use a teeth to tie it. And then there's your little new bracelet. Oh, it's a little smaller than I wanted, but let's see. See, it works out. And I put learn and smile on it because I need to focus more in school because I be not learning. But whatever. I hope y'all make a beautiful bracelet with that kit or whatever kit you find. I'm pretty sure they have many more, not just that one. But yeah. And I'll be trying to put out more YouTube videos. Bye. Have a great day. Love ya.